Hey guys, what's going on? Just another quarantine day here, day 29, or I don't know what the hell day it is. Anyways, just want to do a quick video on my 2.5 4-cylinder 1990 YJ, because I couldn't find much on this. Everybody had like a different setup. I have two belts here, so I have the power steering belt and the alternator belt over there. Just kind of give you guys an up top just to show you. So in order to change this belt right here, you have to change that belt obviously, because it's in front. Anyways, so I did that. Couldn't really find much, so I just figured I'd go for it and see what happens. So first you got to loosen up the or what I did first, because I wanted to do this belt first because it looked more complicated, is I loosened up these two top bolts right here on the power steering reservoir. And what that did was, I guess there's this bolt right here is the adjuster bolt. So once I loosened these two up, the whole thing kind of did one of these, and if it goes down this way, then it gets loose, and then if you bring it up, then it gets tight. I did notice I was missing a bolt. You can't even see it, but a bolt back here behind it, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. I think it's a 3/8 by 16, I'm not sure. Anyway, so that's how you loosen that up, those two bolts right there, simple. And then this one, the alternator, I loosened this one right here, and then this one, and I want to say there was one more, but maybe not. Okay, so but this one for sure, the one back here. So that one, this one, and this one, and then that was I was able to push that forward, as you can tell there with all that right there. But anyways, so then I took this off, this belt off, then I took that belt off, and then I just put it in reverse order. And then what I did is I tightened this one first, because I was already on this side, and then I tightened the other side, or the power steering pump. But that's pretty much it. Quick belt replacement. Again, 2.5 4-cylinder. Yeah. Oh, by the way, so most of these bolts were 15 millimeters, and then on the alternator side there was like I think 114 and like 113 or something like that. But anyways, 13, 14, and 15 millimeters, which you'll need. And for this one, I used a bicycle wrench, a pedal wrench, because it was a 15 millimeter. I couldn't find a regular 15 millimeter wrench. I don't know what happened to mine. So I ended up using a bicycle pedal wrench, which worked out just perfectly fine. It was extra thin too, so it worked out pretty good. So here I will start this bad boy up, make sure it's in neutral, just to kind of start that up. It's running good.